Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about something called Go Fix. So this is a new Go tooling which was released in the latest Go 1.26. So what it does is basically you run Go Fix command in your repo, and then it basically does some form of optimizations across your repo. So it's a very good way to have some quick and easy optimization wins in this repo. So in this example, I have simply cloned a repo from GitHub, and I ran this gofix.slash ... which does this fix across the repo. And here I can see there are like 16 files in which it has done some changes or the other. So, some examples are here. I'll just go over some of them very quickly. So here it replaces a for loop where it does some sort of copying. It replaces it with this maps.copy, which is much more cleaner. Here there is, in this function, what it does is, in a loop it simply adds to a string, and adding to strings, modifying a string creates a new string, so it becomes like an n square type of operation. But here it does a strings.builder, which has like a underlying slice. So using this will cause on sort of operation. So this is a much more performant code comparatively. Here it does something different. Here it's uses, instead of strings.split, it is doing strings.split sequence. Here it's also the same strings.builder. Yeah, here last time we saw there was like a max function. Here is a min function. So just checking if we are basically comparing between these two, then yeah, we can simply have this min function or max function. Same thing here. Yeah, here as well it's using maps.copy. It's much cleaner code, and underlying there might be some optimizations as well. Yeah, again, strings.builder, split sequence. Yeah, so yeah, here as well it's like a basic thing here, using this range keyword instead of the full for loop, especially if you're, yeah, it's usually the better approach. So it's basically giving some quick wins, especially in case of strings and for loops. So this is a pretty cool tool which is just released in Go 1.26.